friends, hope you're doing good. So the clip that you just watched was an AI generated video, and today I'll be teaching you how you can make a video using AI tool. So the name of this tool is PIctory.ai. You can search it on Google Chrome, and this is how you can do it. First of all, in Google Chrome you will type PIctory AI. After you search PIctory AI, then you will go to the option PIctory Video Marketing Made Easy. Then here you're supposed to sign up. If you are new, sign up for free, and then you can put your details here, then continue with Google. Since I have already made my account, so I'll continue with Google. After continuing using Google, I'll get this sort of an interface: script to video, article to video, editing videos using text, visual to video. I'll go with proceed script to video. Now I'll copy paste my script that I already have written. Then I'll click the option proceed. After proceeding, it will give me a bunch of options for my text and for my graphics. I'll select one, and this would be the format of my video. I'll wait for a while till it compiles the visuals. As it is an AI tool, so it generates or it finds the best visuals according to the text. Now the visuals are ready, and this is your subtitles. I don't want my subtitles, so I'll turn them off for all the visuals, and I'll also turn off the background music. After that, I'll click the option download. Then I'll go with video, and then it will take a while, and after that it will complete the downloading process. The video is downloaded. This is how it looks. It is amazing. It's full HD, and it comes with amazing graphics, and it relates with the story in a fascinating way. But there is only one limitations that come in the free version. Although you can buy the advanced version, or you can upgrade it. The graphics and the visuals are amazing and really astonishing. However, one shortcoming is still there, which is the logo at the left top corner of the screen, which makes the video a little bit disturbed. So to remove that watermark, I have made another video. You can find that video somewhere here, and you can learn how to remove that watermark. After you remove that watermark, this video becomes amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.